Alright, let's say you have a 2001 or 2000 or 2000, yeah, 2000, 2001, maybe a little less years. How to remove your clock that doesn't work. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is get a screwdriver, come over here, just pull it out a little bit here, come to the bottom. Here. You see, these are just clipped on, so it comes right off. So you're gonna have to take off this one plug. Next, we're gonna take off this one bolt and this one bolt over here. Pull up. Again, these are just clips. You got the one plug to unplug from the clock. Best way to do that is just go ahead and take off these two screws.